today's video, I'm going to be starting a new series. I am calling it From Top to Bottom. And in these videos, I feel like it's going to be a little bit different. I think we have all seen like a million of the daily cleaning videos, cleaning the counters, doing the dishes, mopping the floor, things like that. And so in this series, I wanted to do more of the things that we don't do every day. Things like cleaning the kitchen cabinets, like a good clean, doing the kitchen countertops and the grout, if you have grout tile countertops, doing the appliances like inside of the oven and the little stove plates and the microwave and the fridge, and all the way down to the bottom to doing the tile grout. And which for me, that was my inspiration for this whole thing, is because my tile grout is disgusting. We moved in here about 3 years ago, and this is a rental for us. So when we moved in, I kind of just thought, oh hey, look, our tile grout is black. But really, it's supposed to be more of a beige color. Yeah, I know. That means it's really dirty. So that's kind of what inspired me, is because I walk over it every day and I'm like, oh man, I need to clean this, a deep clean, get it back to how it was. And so that's what started this all for me. And so throughout these videos, I'm literally just gonna go room to room and start from the top all the way to the bottom. And it's gonna include things like comparing two different methods of cleaning to see which one works best, a first impression of a new product or a review of a new product that I might be using. I have some ideas of doing DIY for decor in that space, just different things like that. So I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys will enjoy this. So please give this video a thumbs up, like it, and comment in the video how you liked it. And let's just get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do today is the kitchen cabinets. I think I'm probably only gonna get to the top today because I also have 2 babies taking a nap. So I guess it'll kind of be a challenge too, to see what I can get done before the babies wake up. So let's get going cleaning the kitchen cabinets. I'm not sure if you can see all that, but there's a lot of grime. There's a lot of grease. They're just kind of really gross. Like right here, I can see a lot of dirt. It's kind of sticky. There's fingerprints. And so I want to get this all cleaned up. And I think the kind of cupboards that I have are, laminate. And so through research, I found the best method, I guess, is like a water and vinegar solution. And so that's just what I'm gonna be using today. I've never tried it before. I have tried, like, in the past, getting these clean with more of a harsh chemical. And what I found is it was starting to take off the lining, or like the film that was over these cabinets. And I don't think that that's what you're supposed to do. So hopefully this works a lot better. Hopefully it gets the dirt off and all the grease and the grime off, but it still keeps the cabinets intact. So let's get started. Okay, so here's my spray bottle, vinegar and water. I did put a couple peppermint essential oil drops in here, and that is supposed to like keep little bugs and pests out, and it smells good to me too. So let's get started. Let's see, hopefully this works. Moved it forward a little bit, but it is getting a lot of the dirt off of there, so I think it's doing pretty good. It just takes a little bit little bit of elbow grease, but never hurt anybody. Yeah, so far it's doing a pretty good job. And it's not taking off the lining that's on top of these cabinets, so that's good. These spots though here that we touch more on a daily basis are a little bit stickier and they're a little bit harder to get clean. But it's getting there. If there are some like really stubborn and sticky spots, you can use a little dab of dish soap to get the grease and grime and sticky off. So I'm gonna try that because right here in this spot, let me show you. It's pretty gross, like right here, and it's not really coming off. It's kind of sticky. So I'm gonna try some dish soap right there. out there today. So hopefully you guys can see. Sorry about that. But so far what I'm finding is that the vinegar is really good for spots that are just kind of lightly dirty, like fingerprints and things like that. And then the dish soap is working pretty well to get the deeper, more stubborn grease and grime off of the cupboards. It's just taking a little bit, like on the more sticky parts, a little more elbow grease, but it's doing pretty good, I feel like. Okay, I hope you guys can see me. So that didn't take nearly as long as I thought it would. So I think I'm going to tackle this part up here. Let me stand up. I'm gonna go through all this and give the top of the mic, I'm gonna go through all this and give the top of the refrigerator a good clean because it is very, very, very gross. It's got a lot of dust and a lot of sticky kitchen grime and juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this since I had more time. So here we go. Okay, for this part up here, I'm going to just use it like an all-purpose cleaner and a same old microfiber cloth. I think that that's all that this really needs. Nothing, doesn't need anything that is more gentle or anything like that.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought.
I'm gonna need to get like the rough part of a sponge because all right here is super sticky. Alright, let's try some dish soap too. Let's try this. This is good at getting grease off.
Stronger than I ever been. I'll work it up again. Stronger than I ever been.
cabinets are wiped down. Not too dirty because we don't touch these ever, but they're a little dusty, so I'll wipe them down. Cleaned off. So let's go through all that junk that was up here and get rid of some stuff and put the other stuff away where it goes. And then we'll put a couple things back up here and then it'll be all done. Okay, so while I have everything down, as you can see here, this stuff gets a little bit gross. So I'm gonna use these disinfecting wipes to clean this stuff off. Like this will go back on top of the microwave, or this will go back on top of the refrigerator. So I'm gonna dust it, clean it, and let that get back up there. And whatever else needs to get up there too. We're gonna need this sponge again. Know that when you try and plan things, life says no, and if you have kids, they say no too. So I had planned to do the cupboards and the top of the fridge, and then while I'm taking down the stuff and cleaning it, my plans did not continue. So I did that, and then I just left everything and I finished it the very next day. So what I'm gonna do is make this video into a two-part video. Not to mention, it would have been like a 45-minute long video if I put it all in one. So I'm gonna separate it into a part one with the top cupboards and part of the fridge, and then part two will be the bottom cupboards and the rest of the fridge. So I hope you guys enjoy this 1 and 2 part thing. Let me know what you guys think. Just let me know. And I will see you guys next in part 2 of the kitchen cabinet cleaning. All right, guys. See you later.